Hi everyone. We will be seeing the key feature of the POS application. So when you log into account, the main screen that you'll be seeing it our dashboard, where you can see the total number of sales that you have made, or the daily sales that you have made, or the total transactions that you have made to the other franchisees, and you can see how many total items that you have in your system. At bottom, we are given the business location chart, where you can see the number of business locations that we have and with the names from the single screen. Also, the right side, we are given a chart for monthly invoices. So if you want to look for your monthly invoice, you no need to just filter your reports and do too many clicks. So from here itself, you can see the total number of sales based on each date. At the bottom, we have given the overall invoice section, where you can see the total number of the overall sales that you have made actually. The next key feature that we have is organization setups. So usually when you go with any POS, so there might be a default serial numbers that been used for one transactions. Maybe it might be stock transfer, invoices, or materialized or tickets. But here we are given a separate section for the end users or super admin can set up their own serial numbers. Based on the serial number, the prefix serial number that you are giving, the system will recognize and will pull the information from here, and it will be utilized in the system. Also, we have given you the options to set up your logo, so you can change your own organization logo anytime, and the system will be get the logo and it will be used in the PDFs when you are printing any PDF anywhere you need it. And the next key feature that we have is franchises actually. Usually, when you are adding franchises, system will push the portal invitation to the franchisee. So if you are down to the less number of portal users, then it will be overwhelm your system. So we are given the option where you can add a number of franchisees that you want, and you can give the select portal access to the selected franchisee. So which will be based on your convenience or the franchise availability. So this will prevent you to overwhelm the portal users. Also, the same key feature being used in the super admin level is now the super admin can create a number of franchises. Also, we are giving the permissions here also. So it's not necessary you can create a number of admins, but you can give selected portal access to selected admins so that they can oversee the system and they can check everything. Then we have a stock ledger where you can filter out the items particular transactions over a month or certain particular dates or periods. Okay, so it doesn't matter. You can select any item that you have in the system, and you can select the start date and end date. When you click on hit submit, so the system will fetch the information and display it under the section. Since I don't have any transaction, it's not showing. But we have all these options and opening balance, everything. Same goes for the franchise ledger. So if you want to find out the items ledger based on franchisee, you can utilize this form. You can search the start date, end date, and you can give the franchisee name. Then you have to give this item name. When you hit submit, it will give all the details about the particular item under the franchisee. From here, you can download it as a PDF and you can send it to our concerned persons to review it and confirm it. Hope this video helps you. Thank you.